Hey guys, welcome back to the Man Cave. So I've decided to do something just a little bit different today. I had this old bumper sitting out in my yard, and I've decided that what I'm going to do is I'm going to make me a shelf out of it to put up on one of my walls. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to remove these brackets that originally bolted it to the truck, and I'm going to build some brackets using some iron that I had laying around. And we'll actually attach the iron to the angle iron here, and we'll bolt this to the bumper, and then we'll attach the iron to these brackets so that we can attach this to the wall. I'm not going to show you the whole process. I just kind of wanted to do a little bit of different stuff. So I will give you some updates as I build this. So as I was going through pulling these brackets off, I noticed that there was just a lot of rust on the back side of this bumper. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my wire brush and I'm actually going to clean this up. And I'll probably wind up cleaning some of this rust off the front. I don't want to clean it all off. I want to leave some of it because I think it gives it some character. But I'm going to clean some of it up. And so I'll clean that up, and then we'll start building these brackets to mount it. Okay, so you can see that how I built this bracket right here is so that I could bolt it to the original bumper without having to weld to this bumper. And it allows me to just build this bracket so that I can bolt it up. Now I built this bracket so that I could mount these shelf brackets to the wall. So the distance between these holes right here is going to be 32 inches. So it's going to mount right to a stud in my wall, and then this will actually set up on top here, and I'll drill some holes so that we can bolt this down to these shelf brackets. Okay, so I've completed the build of this shelf bracket. I've installed the shelf brackets up there, and I have cut a shelf that's going to fit behind this bumper. And so I brought you back so that we could do the installation. Make sure both sides are pretty even. Looks like it needs to come this way just a touch. And that's got us about right. I'm going to go ahead and clamp this together. So that everything stays where I want it to be. Maybe. I'm going to clamp it together. And then we'll make sure that we push that in to both sides. And then we're going to run some screws up in there to hold everything in place. So I decided after I got my shelf put in, I made the decision that I wanted to have a light to light my workbench. So I went ahead and installed an LED light up underneath of the shelf so that it could put some light on my workbench. And I think that's about what this is going to be.